Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut car edits made easy. So here I'm going to teach you easy way to edit some cars in CapCut. So here you only need to remember three things here. First thing is to cut. Second thing is to add effect, and the third thing is to add a. Uh, the third thing is speed. There you go, speed. Sorry. So first is cut. Second is effect, then third is speed. So there. um so we're gonna start with cut. So we're just gonna cut some of the parts that we like to look at. So as you can see, I like to look at this part right here. So we're gonna cut that part, right there. Find some things that you like to look at. I like to look at that part right there, and until that part. So we're gonna cut that part. Right. Let's start with this part right here. Look at that part right there. There's a quick tip for you guys. After you cut, I suggest cut, cut, cut it first, then delete. Or if you don't want to get, if you're don't want to get a little bit, if you don't want, if you don't want to say, oh wait, I forgot which one that I the cut and that I don't need. Well, you can just do cut and then delete the part you don't want. Cut and then delete the part that you don't want. But I suggest cutting it all, then deleting it, the things that you don't want. There you go. As you can see, I was gonna go right here. Okay, we like this part. There you go. So we can cut that part. Now, okay. So we already have the left. We're going to left. Now we need to have the right part right there. Right, cut. That's right. Right. There you go. And I cut. Then. Okay. So yeah. So there you go. I'm just gonna have a part that is just driving like that. There you go. They say this is the full video right here. Point, 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 point. So now I'm gonna add the effect. So now at the effect, we're gonna add a little bit of effect for the video. So right here. So to add an effect to the video, we need to add something that will make it look more astounding. So I suggest putting in a nightclub right here. Putting a nightclub, fancy sharpen right there. Fancy sharpen on each one of those. There you go. Fancy sharpen right there. Then, oopsie. Actually, you know what? There you go. So add it at the top and just do that. Sharpen on them, and then remove the color, range, atmosphere, a little bit down to like 10. Like okay, let's make it 50. There you go. Then make the video much shorter. So cut it precisely on what the video may looks like. Cool, something like that. So this, so there you go. So this is how you make a car video made very easy. See, there you go. There you go. It looks much more better than earlier. Now, let's add a little bit of a flash to it. So, boom. Now we're gonna add a little bit of glow to it. Find a little glow. Let's try this one right here. Does it glow well? Oh, it glows well. There you go. Now we're gonna add the speed. So where we're gonna add the speed. So the third thing is add speed. Add speed. Those are the three key things that you need. So we're gonna add in some flash ins right here. There you go. Add in some flash ins. There you go. Boom. Then we're gonna add another boom here. Boom. Then we're gonna have a boom out to make the video a little bit. Um, okay, we're not gonna add the boom out because it doesn't look good. See the boom in. So we just add more flash ins right here. Flash in, and then flash in right there. There's your final result, guys. So now we have made the video right here for the car. Watch. Let's see. Watch it. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that looks cool, as you can see, guys. But so that's all we need. Just remember 3 things when making a car video right here like this. Remember 3 things. First is cut, then effect, then after adding some effect, speed. Those 3 things are the key things that you can do to make a quick and easy, fast car video right here. As you can see, I made just very easy and fast with just 3 things. We just cut and effect and then speed. And before I let you guys go off, I'll just give you a few tips for the filter. So if you want to add a filter here, I suggest if you're looking for aesthetic colors filter, I suggest doing Maldives peach or maybe amber. And if you're doing more dramatic film, I suggest use Stone or Dracula. So I'm gonna give you my recommendation, my own recommendation. Let's say for a daytime outdoor, like car drive, like something like that. Maybe I suggest you use Maldives. There you go. There you go. I suggest using Maldives just for daytime. Those are for the daytime drives. There you go. There you go. And peach right there. So just using also peach. There you go. There you go. As you can see right there. And if you're like for a dusty car drive or maybe a night drive, I suggest using amber and Dracula, but just lower the brightness. So here's the amber right here. There you go, amber. Showing the brightness a bit for the dusty. And if you're doing like a dark night, I suggest using Dracula. There you go. There you go, as you can see. We'll play it. There you go. So I suggest there just increase the contrast and lower the brightness for them. And if you're doing like an interior shots like inside the car, I suggest combine substyle color filter and plus retouch the video if you can. Retouch the video to a clean and light look. So to adjust it, just go here. So make it a little more clean and light look right there, and then there you go. And I highly suggest using some audio, because without the audio for this, it will be not that much pleasing to watch. But when you add audio, it will be much more better when you're gonna watch the video. And I suggest using upbeat audios, or maybe if you're doing an aesthetic, I suggest low. And if you're just doing an interior, I suggest like a not like a lo-fi vibes kind of stuff inside the car when you're doing interior inside. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.